What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. If you're looking for a fashionable good night's sleep, you might want to check these out. I just discovered these and I'm really excited about it. You can see here that they come wrapped in tissue paper with the little D's on there. They are available on Etsy and they are sleep masks. And you might be saying, hey, there are a lot of sleep masks out there, Pete. Why are you showing me these? Because I have been on a hunt for a really good sleep mask. Now, I've been traveling a lot. Sometimes that means being on a plane, in an airport, whatever. Even sleeping in a hotel during the day because you've got to be on for the evening or whatever it might be. And so having a sleep mask with me is really important. And as well as just having some around so I don't have to hunt it out. Now, these have some things that I thought were really interesting. So first of all, I'm just gonna tear these open because not only do you get the sleep mask, well, you do get the instructions of how the sucker works, but they come in these beautiful little, like linen pouches, and then you have the sleep mask here. Now you can get them in all different styles, so I wanted to show you those. And what you can see here is just a beautiful fabric on this end. Let's take a look at this one. You get that awesome fabric. Let's take a look at this one. Dreamer's Gear is the brand, FYI. Look at that. Kind of a beautiful traditional. Kind of reminds me of like those old ceramic plates. And then this one, this is what I call the executive. I love that diamond look pattern. Kind of reminds me of a formal tie. Now, again, there are some things that I really was excited about. First of all, I will tell you right off the bat, these things are really padded. So, I mean, more so than almost any other sleep mask I've ever seen. And so they're almost like cushion-like, and that's gonna be really nice. You can see here that you get some really nice drop down here on the cheek area, and on the back, I don't know if that's silk or nylon, but man, that is soft. It certainly feels like silk. Now this one is gonna be a little bit more basic, right? And probably really comfortable. This one is a little different. It doesn't have quite as much padding, but it's still nicely padded. But what you're gonna see here is that it's kind of got more of an eyeglass shape with an elastic piece here for the nose covering. So that's gonna help on the light leakage too. So I'm gonna try all those out. This one is the same way, and then this one is that other style. So really you've got two different styles depending on kind of your sleep preference, as well as the shape of your face. Now, what really sold me about this, and what I've really hated about sleep masks, if I could take this and just show you, and if I were to put this on my eyes like this, and then put an elastic band right in the middle of both sides and put it around my head. My problem with it is I don't have really deep eye sockets. My eyes are kind of flush with the front of my face. Now, if your eyes are sunken into your head a little bit more, that the problem is the elastic kind of pulls right on the center and I get pressure right on my eyeballs. So if I have this on here and it's pressing right here, I'm getting it right on my eyes, and basically you don't want to wear those because it's gonna give you a headache. So I've noticed that some sleep masks that I put on, the pressure right there to hold it in place is annoying enough. After a minute or two, I don't even want to wear it. And so what's the point, right? And so how has Dreamer's Gear solved that is with this really innovative dual strap, elastic strap. You can see they're also adjustable, little buckles here to adjust them, design. So that not only, I think, will keep a more secure fit on your face, you also have the pressure being placed at the top and below the eye, which is gonna help seal out light leakage, as well as keep the pressure off your eyes. So that's really what I'm excited about. Now, I'm also gonna say, I'm maybe slightly worried because I have such a giant sized head that you've gotta have a lot of elastic here just to get around my big noggin. So, first of all, I'm just gonna try these. And again, these are kind of the more basic ones, and see how these suckers will work. Oh, plenty of space. Oh man. Dude. I think I have them on right side up. You can see that they're clearing my ear, no problem. But it's nice because it's putting the pressure right up here and down here. And I don't have that pressure on my eyeballs that I normally would. And I'm telling you right now, I'm not getting any light leakage. Maybe just a little bit as I'm talking. I can kind of see a little light leaking in the bottom. But man, this is great. Oh my gosh. These are so padded. They're so comfortable. Kind of want to catch some Z's right now. Hey, but we can't. We got to try out this other style here with the cutout for the nose. Now I'm almost thinking like these are gonna be my preferred style. So I'm just going to expand these up to get around my giant basketball sized head and throw them on. Yes, yes, yes. I can always tighten these down too, but I'll tell you what, having them a little loose like this and then kind of adjusting it to the size of your head right there allows it to kind of sit and almost float on your face, which is awesome. And I can tell you right now, I'm getting no light leakage, and that might be really good, especially if you have like a big nose or something like that. Man, that feels great. I'm talking, trying to get light leakage, and I'm not getting that pressure on my eyeballs, which is really the key thing. This is pretty awesome. Hey, I'm telling you, if you want to get a good night's rest and it's bright out, or you just want to block things out, just do a little meditation, stay in your own little world for a little while, you definitely want to check these out. Now, these are definitely what I would call more premium sleep masks, but you can definitely get them in different styles to match your personal style. Now, these sleep masks are definitely a little more premium, both I think in construction design as well as in price. So for about $30 plus, you can pick one of these up, but I think any of these are going to be really nice. If you really want the more thickly padded ones, you know, I think these are really comfortable. You can get them in a bunch of different styles that might match your personality and personal style. I think you're going to really like it. For me personally, I think the one with the little elastic nose bridge blocker there is kind of my preferred one. So check it out. I will put a link to Dreamer's gear in the description below, and give yourself a restful night's sleep anywhere. Peter Von Panda, out.